For today's video, you need some glue, a pair of scissors, and a colored pen. You can also use some pencils, some markers, but if you don't need those, you can start now. Pause the video if you need more time. Remember that. So we're starting. So since you see what the thumbnail and what the title says, the reason for that is because some other people cannot have squishymallows, but they want to make squishymallows. So it depends. You can make a squishy. You can get your stuffing. So when I get to the stuffing part, it's okay. You can have your stuffing already. My stuffing is here. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first off, we have to make our shape of the squishymallow. So it can either be a cat or anything you like. I am thinking about a black cat. Don't forget to make a back and front. You can add some accessories if you like. I accidentally started coloring it already, so you can color yours right now already. Alright, I'm done. Now, you have to put tape on them. Make sure you don't cut it already. You have to put tape first. Alright, so I'm done taping it. So I'm going to cut it now. Get your scissors ready. We're cutting now. For some beginners, you can also cut the tape. It's okay when you cut the tape. You can cut the tape off. Are the two pieces already cut together? Both of them? Well, okay, it's time. For the stuffing, not yet. We have to glue the parts together, like this. Come on. So, you put the glue on these sides, but leave some at the top. When you put the stuffing in, glue it now, and then that's your squishy. It's easy, right? Okay, I'm gonna do it now. Then bring the instructions I told you. Well, there you have it. Your very own squishymallow. Can some people collab with me and show me their piece of paper and their squishymallow? The piece of paper after you create your squishymallow. This is my paper. And this is the squishymallow that I created. Tag me or at me anyway.